Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining me, hi, my name is Amber Marie, better known as XO Duchess or Duchess of the Dolls, and I am bringing you something that I haven't seen before. I'm sure it's out there, and if you've seen it before or there's credits, let's go ahead and credit them down below in the comments. But as influencers and as YouTubers and reviewers or whatever the case may be, a lot of the items that we bring you guys are typically from big brands, big businesses. But as you know, I'm a small business owner myself. I love my girl Entrepreneu-HERs and all of the boss babes and just, you know, boots on the ground leaders of our small business world. Like, that's who I am. So I've brought you guys Amazon reviews, things that I found from Sephora, reviewed big clothing companies like Shein and Fashion Nova and things like that. But I got to thinking and I'm like, who really matters to me? And it's a small business owners. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, guys. It's gonna be small business owner spotlight. These are brands and entrepreneurs who I personally support all the time, who I'm obsessed with, and I want to let you guys in on my secrets. So if that's what you came for, keep on watching.
Shorty a little baddie, she my little boo thing.
And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching moves.
Okay, so we're gonna waste no time. I have all of my items back here in the corner, so it's not just a super messy area. I'm going to be picking from back there all throughout this video, but oh my gosh, guys. So we all have been plagued and harshly offended by the scents of some of these hand sanitizers. If so, raise your hand. If you've been personally victimized by those stank, tequila smelling, extremely aggressively alcohol scented hand sanitizers, I need you to leave me a mask emoji in the comments down below, because I have two. Okay, so my stepmom actually turned me on to this brand, and it's called It's Magic, and they are magic. So this one is Love Spell, and it smells so freaking amazing. I wish we had like smell-o-vision. Come on, 2020, like we need to step our game up. But anyways, this one smells amazing. I bought this in like 10 different fragrances. Bomb Pop is amazing. That's one I keep in my purse. I also have Strawberry Melon, smells divine. But these are the first hand sanitizers I have ever used all 2020 that have had such a pleasant fragrance. And honestly, they smell like perfume. Like, that is how good they are. It does have aloe, vitamin E, and B5 with pure fragrance, and it's made in the USA. So this manufacturer, you can probably buy it directly from countrybathhouse.com, but I picked this up at Shabby Chic in El Campo, Texas. The boss babe running that store, her name is Bev. She's a good friend of mine, and this I picked up there. The really cool thing that I love about Shabby Chic though is she carries a lot of other small businesses in her boutique. Right along with the fashion hauls that I typically do, a lot of the fashion that I purchase is also from Shabby Chic Boutique in El Campo. So I actually just picked this up, and it's so stunning. It's just like a denim dress. I haven't had the opportunity to wear it, but I will. So the really cool thing about Shabby Chic also is she does support our BBW women. All my curvy girls, they have something for you as well. This outfit right here is so fun. I haven't had a chance to wear it yet, but you guys will see me with it on at some point, and it says bougie but mostly ratchet. That is like my entire life right there. So bougie but mostly ratchet, adorable. So pick this up at Shabby Chic too, with these super cute like cheetah prints. They kind of remind me of like the Nike basketball style shorts that have that kind of like material to them, but they're super comfortable, very stretchy. They have a nice little drawstring on them. Anyways, super cute. So wanted to just add that in with the hand sanitizer because it is from the same place. I also got these super cute earrings from there also. Oh, so cute. I love a good turquoise moment. It's something that my grandfather always wore, was turquoise, and I love it. My Nana still loves it. So yeah, super fun and fresh, and all of this was found at Shabby Chic in El Campo. Okay, so you guys know oh look, in my next one, look, is also It's Magic. I keep these things everywhere. But so this bag right here is so adorable. I've gotten so many compliments on it. It was like one of my summer bags. It has these cute little decals on it. It's kind of small, but I mean, it's honestly perfect for just like a little sling bag, and I'm obsessed with it. So I do love, obviously, all things designer, but every now and then I love a good dupe as well, just because it's just a less affordable way to have the fast fashion on the go, and you can pair with like a simple outfit and it just elevates your look. So this I got from my good friend Keisha Washington. Her Boss Babe business is actually called Boston Blessed, and she's out of Wharton, Texas. I think most of her business is online, but I love her. I love her hustle. I actually don't know her personally. I met her via social media and like Facebook and stuff, and I just, you know, here's the thing about entrepreneurs. We can identify the passion and the hustle simply by seeing how someone moves on social media, and that's how Boston Blessed was for me. She has all different kinds of things like lashes and stuff. She does have some fast fashion items like these bags that you could just like pick up. They're dupes, they're not replicas or anything like that, but they're just so adorable and so cute. So really wanted to shout her out, and yeah, if you're in Wharton County area, check her out. Okay, so there is an entire candle community on YouTube. So for all of my candle lovers out there, this is Tyler Candle Company. They consider themselves the bougie perfumed candle, and experience the difference. This is scent, which one is this one? I think this is Love something, but it's not on here. Oh, it smells so freaking good. But these candles I pick up in Bay City, Texas from a place called Ace Hardware, which sounds like it would be like a, I don't know, like a men's place or whatever. But I was thoroughly surprised. The first time I walked into Ace Hardware in Bay City, I was actually waiting for my nail appointment, and I'm gonna shout them out in a second too. But I was like, you know what? Let me just like run into here and see what they have. And I was like, so when you first walk in, they have an entire display setup that's so cute. It's like very home driven or like camper stuff, and they have candles and blankets. I actually have some throw blankets that are in my camper right now that I've gotten from them. But the entire experience is, it's like a hardware store but slash boutique-ish. Anyways, I know that they're family owned locally to Bay City. I don't know who owns them, but if you do, let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to give them a formal shout out. But anyways, guys, Ace Hardware in Bay City, Texas has these candles. They also have the detergent, which is like really well known apparently, because my sister actually has some. I think the detergent is called Diva. But yeah, Tyler Candle Company. It doesn't say it on here. Oh yeah, it's made in Tyler, Texas. Duh. Shout out to my Texas people. Texas check in the house. Anyways, amazing. Gotta have it. So yeah, Bath and Body Works, we don't know her, girl. Tyler Candle Company is the way. Okay, so like I was saying, I go to Bay City to get my nails done, and that's how I ended up in Tyler. But I want to shout out my nail people, because I get so many compliments in the comments down below and on my social media. So like, oh, where do you go to get your nails done? So I go to Ladies Nails in Bay City, Texas. The girl who does my nails name is Cindy, and she is so amazing and so sweet, and I'm honestly just obsessed with her. Her and her husband own the business, and it is a full operating salon. They actually have a massage therapist as well as hairstylist in the back. So, you know, I love my hairstylist. So if you haven't been to them, or you're looking for someone else to do your nails, I really highly recommend Cindy at Ladies Nails in Bay City. So since we're on the topic of hairstylists, you know I can't do just a shameless plug for my fellow boss babes and entrepreneur-hers who I work next to every single day. I have to brag on them, because obviously I feel like I'm just entirely so blessed to work next to and with what I consider some of the absolutely most insanely amazing, talented hairstylists in all of the world. But also they're some of my best friends. So that's Dana at The Purple Diva. He is amazing. He is such a goat when it comes to color. He's amazing at everything you could ever imagine. Obviously my boo Lizzie Blessed Hands, aka at Hello Beth on Instagram and all over social media. but we so lovingly call her Lizzie Blessed Hands because some of the stuff she does is literally magical and like straight from God. Then we have Momo Linda, who is like the mother of our group. She is amazing, super crazy talented, as well as been in the game for a really long time. She is someone that we learn from daily and who I take inspiration from. She's just an amazing person, Christian woman, and obsessed with her. We call her Momo Linda, but you can find her at Miss Parlor on Instagram. And these are all some of the most amazing talented hairstylists, but also some of my best friends. So make sure you check them out, give them a like, give them a follow, and yeah. And next up is one of my favorite embroidery queens, Shannon Corville at Executive Stitches. All of these hats and stuff that you guys see that I have made, from my hoodies to everything that you could ever imagine, Shannon does for me. She is amazing at Executive Stitches in El Campo. She is an OG in the game. She's been around for a long time, and I know that she does probably all of the US. I do know that she ships. So if you're looking for someone to do some embroidery work for your business or just in general, you have to check her out. Okay, so another boss babe duo that I really have to shout out because I'm so incredibly proud of their success, and they are some of the best choreographers that I know in Texas, but also probably all of the United States, is Magical Moments. They do choreography, they do party setup and decorations and just everything that you can imagine, they do it, and they are so crazily humble and sweet. They have a new location in El Campo so that you can book them for all of your venues like baby showers, sweet 16s, small, you know, bridal luncheons, whatever you can imagine. You have to check out Magical Moments for all of your choreography and special event needs. Well, and make sure that they all know that I support them so much. As a baby boss in the industry, whenever I was growing, I built my empire on referrals. Like, it's just, it goes without a doubt. Yes, social media is amazing, and yes, marketing dollars matter, but at the end of the day, it's word of mouth. That's how you grow, and that's how you turn just customers into clients, into clientele, and that's how you build out your brand. I think that it is so important to have support, guys. And if you have somebody that you love that's local and is a small business owner, take care of them. Make sure you share them with all of your friends. The same way how we would support like a Beyonce or like a Kevin Gates, we need to allow that same style of support to the people who are grassroots, like, you know, homegrown entrepreneurs, and make sure that they succeed, especially right now with everything that's going on in the world, with the pandemic, with the everything. These small business owners need your support and need your dollars now more than ever. So make sure that you're investing locally into the people who support you. I'm not talking about these big businesses. I'm talking about these small people, the ones who you go to buy your raffle ticket meal things from, or the ones you go for donations for your little girls' dance recitals or your dance teams and things like that. These people are the ones that love you, and you should love them back. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the description, and let me know some of your favorite small businesses that are maybe in my area, because I would love to patron them. And we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Shorty a little baddie, she my little boo thing.
And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings.
Every time I